Ayan, nakasali na tayo sa whitelist, guys. So, ganun lang kadali, guys. So, ngayon, share na natin sa Twitter and sa WhatsApp, guys. Don't forget to join my road to 10,000 subscribers here in my YouTube channel and, of course, sa aking Facebook page as well. Marami akong exciting, more upcoming prizes. And huwag natin patagalin pa. Pag-usapan na natin ito in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go, guys!
Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side. PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide.
Hello everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Imagine for today's video. Meron ako sa bago i-share na another airdrop, guys, na pwede tayo sumali for their whitelist. Ito ay si Lofty, guys. It is a liquid real estate, guys. So, parang ang side ng project nito is for real estate, guys. So, with DeFi upside. So, you can check also their YouTube channel or YouTube video para at least makita nyo kung ano ba yung mismong project. And you can also, na rin, guys, explore their website para mas magkaroon kayo ng knowledge regarding their project, guys. So, over 27 million TVL yung nila. So, Lofty Liquid will enable the world's liquid real estate. So, more on real estate nga sila, guys. So, you can na lang here. So, mayroon naman frequently asked questions. So, makita nyo what is Lofty Liquid. So, and what is the benefit of adding liquidity. How do I get started? So, yan yung how do I get started regarding sa kanilang join waitlist, guys. So, kailangan nyo mag-join sa kanilang waitlist. And of course, parang nakalagay dyan, i-connect din yung wallet. So, pag may mga kailangan i-connect na wallet, like pinapaalala sa inyo, pag new crypto yan, new airdrop, make it sure na new wallet, guys. Hindi nyo gagamitin your main wallet dahil we never know if it will be real or it will be a scam crypto or scam airdrop, guys. So, kaya dapat lagi kayo nag-iingat sa inyong mga main wallet dahil you never know, pag nawala yan, sayang lahat. So, pag huli-huli nyo na lang, guys. Gawa na lang kayo. So, now, here, so, ibang email yung gagamitin ko dito dahil nga sabi is, i-connect nga yung wallet. So, para maka-join, kailangan ng email address. So, once na nakaano na kayo ng email address, ayan, guys. Ganyan lang siya kapala kadali. Wala naman siya nakalagay na kailangan pa. So, you need to invite. Para pala siya sa Arkham na parang invite, pero ito wala naman kasi nakalagay. So, ayan, iba kasing yung itong email na gamit ko is sa Twitter account ko. So, here, ayan, so kailangan lang i-share, and then once na may click doon and nag-register sa whitelist, so you can check your status. For the meantime, wala pa naman akong dyan, so pero try na rin natin kasi wala naman nakalagay kung wala pa nakalagay para kasi to move up in the line, diba? So wala pa naman dyan. So kaka-start ko lang dyan, guys. So ganun lang siya kadali, guys. So kailangan ilagay your email address. So kasi itong ginamit kong email address, gumawa ko ng panibagong MetaMask wallet ko just in case na kailangan para at least nakaiwalay-wala yung mga airdrop, diba? So yung may mga potential airdrop, kung bloom siya, much better. Kung hindi man, at least hindi ko ginamit yung aking main wallet. So, marami ako nakikita pa rin o nababasa out there na yun nga, ang problem nila is, hindi naman pala totoo, biglang nawala yung nila, naging scam. So, naranasan ko na rin yan. So, ayoko nang maulit. So, I'll update you na lang kay Lofty Wallet. So, try it. Napakadali lang gawin yung task. So, until next time, goodbye!